Why do we celebrate the 4th of July?
Independence Day?
To celebrate our independence.
There we go. Easy enough. So that one was a little easy. How about what mountain inspired the song America the Beautiful?
The Appalachian Mountain? I don't know.
Mount Everest.
Pikes Peak? Oh, sweet.
Now the questions get a little harder. What do the colors mean on our flag?
Don't know that one.
Snowy Minnesota. America the Beautiful.
Freedom and the pursuit of happiness.
You know what day we gained our independence?
Believe that's 1775.
1776.
Okay, last one. Who is our current vice president?
John Whiter?
I was going to say Joe Biden. Oh, really? Okay.